Hello, tech lovers. I welcome you to my channel, and my name is Bumi. I'm a digital marketing consultant. I give digital marketing tips to business owners and entrepreneurs. Okay, and I also give Canva tutorials. So if this connotes to you, why not continue watching? Because today I'll be giving us a tutorial or how to apply for a Canva creator. So if you want to become a Canva creator, why not continue watching this video and let's dive into the main tutorials for today. Thank you. So tech lovers, I'm going to be putting the link on how to become a Canva creator in the description, and also in the description you're going to see my link on my affiliate link on Canva if you want to become, or if you want to start using Canva to start creating your designs or any of your, or you can start making money also with Canva. So the link is, if you use my link, you will get a 30 days free trials, okay, before you decide to continue using or you opt out. Okay, so now I'm going, this is the way, these are the creator, what you need to know. When when will Canva Creator be available to everyone to share their content on Canva? We are currently experiencing Canva creators with small groups for early adoption. We gradually roll out Canva Creator around the world in the coming months. Register interest below to stay informed. Okay, so now I'll be registering because, or you want to sell your images and videos, then you click on media contributors. Okay, so now I want to become a creator with Canva. If that's what you also want to become, then you follow the tutorials for today. Okay, so become a creator. So to become a creator, I'm going to put my URL here, so that Canva will know that I've been doing some tutorials and promoting Canva, and I also, a lot of things I've been doing with Canva. I've been using Canva for a while now, so I love Canva. So it's a straightforward tutorial. So I'm going to put my URL here, my YouTube channel, so that they will see all the work I've been doing and I would apply. Voila. So it says if your Canva creator application is successful, you would be joining us on our mission to build the best and most deserved content library in the world. Okay? So what happened next? We will get in touch once we review your application. This takes up to a few weeks. If accepted, there are a short training course to help you design in Canva. For Canva, start creating and earning. So that's all for today. So I've registered for to become a Canva creator. So thank you for this video and see you in my next video. I just want to take you guys along with me. I hope I get selected. Cheers.